Hey there, traders. Welcome back to our channel where we keep you informed about the good, the bad, and the ugly in the trading world. I'm Michelle, and today we're tackling a hot topic, ForrestFX. Let's uncover what's really going on with this broker. Have you heard of ForrestFX? Well, if you're considering trading with them, you might want to think again. In the next few minutes, we're going to peel back the layers and show you why ForrestFX could leave you high and dry. Stay tuned. ForrestFX may present itself as a trustworthy brokerage, but our investigation tells a different story. Reports from investors paint a troubling picture. Many have encountered difficulties withdrawing funds, faced unexpected fees, and received inadequate customer support from ForrestFX. Adding to the concern, ForrestFX operates without proper regulatory oversight, leaving investors vulnerable to potential scams and financial losses. We will show more details in further sections. Read our ForrestFX Scam Broker review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Before considering ForrestFX as your broker of choice, exercise caution and conduct thorough research to protect your investments. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to scams like ForrestFX? First and foremost, always conduct thorough research before investing with any broker. At BrokerComplaintAlert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams like ForrestFX. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds. Stay vigilant, and together we can beat the scammers. Thanks for watching.